Are you frustrated because your landing page isn't publishing in GetResponse? You're not alone. There are a few reasons why this could be happening, and today we're going to walk through them so you can get your landing page live and functioning as expected. Stick around until the end because we'll also talk about an amazing alternative that might just suit your needs better with a free trial exclusive for you. First off, the most common reason your landing page isn't publishing is a missing or incorrect domain connection. If you've recently set up your account or haven't properly linked your custom domain, GetResponse might not be able to publish your landing page. To resolve this, double-check your domain settings in GetResponse and make sure the DNS records are correct. If you're not familiar with DNS, GetResponse provides detailed guides to help with this process. Next, it could be an issue with form validation. If you have any forms on your landing page, make sure all fields are properly configured. Missing required fields or incorrect form settings might prevent your page from being published. Try testing the form by filling it out yourself to see if there's an error. Sometimes it's as simple as not marking a field as required or forgetting to map form fields to your list. The third thing to check is your landing page settings. Ensure your page is not in draft mode or set to private. These settings can prevent it from being publicly accessible, which is a common mistake people overlook when they're getting ready to publish. Also, make sure you haven't accidentally set the landing page to be shown only to specific IPs or in certain geolocations. These settings can unintentionally block access. Now, the fourth thing to check is publishing permissions. If you're part of a team or using a shared account, ensure you have the right permissions to publish the page. Sometimes, administrators set restrictions on who can publish or make changes to pages, and this could be stopping you from hitting that Publish button. The fifth issue is technical glitches or outdated browsers. While GetResponse is a reliable platform, occasional browser issues or caching errors can cause problems when trying to publish. Try clearing your browser cache or using a different browser to see if that resolves the issue. Lastly, if you've gone through all of this and the page still isn't publishing, it's time to check GetResponse's support resources. Their customer service is responsive, but before you reach out, make sure you're using the latest version of the platform. If your account has bugs or a more serious issue, GetResponse support can help, but remember that they may take some time to respond. Now, here's the kicker. While GetResponse is a solid tool for many, there are better options out there for specific goals, especially if you're looking for a more flexible, user-friendly experience when publishing landing pages. One alternative I recommend is Competitor Name. It's got some fantastic features, including an easier-to-use landing page builder, a smoother publishing process, and better customization options. It also comes with a free trial, so you can check it out risk-free. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. It's a great opportunity to try out this alternative and see if it works better for your needs.